Speaking of volatility, let's wrap here with your thoughts on Bitcoin. It was at 9,000 earlier this morning. We've come back down a little bit here, but is the bull rally alive here?
I think it is. One thing that we've been watching for at least the first 5 months of 2019, something that wasn't on our radar until really the end of last year, but has been the relationship between Bitcoin and emerging market currencies. And the leading currency for some time between September and this past April was the Turkish lira. The rolling correlation on just going back to September 1st was something like 0.78, very statistically significant. Now, over the past month, the currency with the highest correlation to Bitcoin has been dollar yuan. And so the fact that we've seen the Chinese yuan weaken so significantly as these trade war fears have increased has been that catalyst needed for Bitcoin to rally. In an environment where the global financial system looks like it is potentially at risk because of the world's two largest economies going at odds, people may be looking for alternative avenues to find ways to circumvent the capital controls being put in place, ways to move their money around without the Chinese or U.S. governments taking stock of it.
So would you not be surprised if you saw it go back to its highs of close to 20,000 or yuan? Or
that would be a lot for me right now. I think we need to see a lot more weakness in the yuan, and in that event, that means dollar yuan going past 7. Dollar yuan going past 7 would be a kind of world on fire type of event. Chinese policymakers do control their own currency rates, and so moving it beyond 7 would be seen as effectively an escalation in the trade war to a new realm altogether.
Chris Vecchio, you need to stop by more often. Thank you so much for coming on.
Appreciate you having me again.